Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use credit in Google Ads. This is a fantastic way to maximize your advertising budget and take advantage of promotional offers that Google provides through various channels. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can start using those credits effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your advertising campaigns. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your account. Locate and click on the billing option. This section is crucial as it houses all the financial aspects of your Google Ads account, including payment methods, transaction history, and promotional credits. After clicking on Billing, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From this expanded menu, click on the option named Promotions. This is the specific area where Google stores and manages all promotional codes and credits associated with your account. It's designed to help you keep track of what offers you've applied and what benefits you're currently receiving. Under the Promotions section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the promotional codes you've previously used under your Google account. This is your central hub for entering and managing promotional codes that Google offers through various channels. These codes could come from a partner website, a sign-up promotion when you first created your account, or special campaigns that Google runs periodically. Take a moment to review what's already there so you understand what credits you might have available. Now, here's where you'll actively search for new promotional codes. Open a new browser tab and head to google.com. From the search bar, type in Google Ads promotional code and hit enter. Look through the search results carefully and find the sponsored result. Click on it. This is typically where Google places their official promo codes and promotional offers. The sponsored listing is important because it's often the most current and legitimate source for active promotions. Browse through the available offers and look for one that suits your advertising needs and budget. Once you've found a promotional code that works for you, simply copy it and return to your Google Ads promotions page, enter the code in the designated field, and apply it to your account. The credit should be processed and added to your account balance, allowing you to use it towards your advertising campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and use credit in Google Ads, giving you more purchasing power for your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.